In this tutorial, you'll grasp the fundamentals of tracking link conversions and how to configure them. To set up your link conversions, navigate to the hamburger icon on the desired link. Click on it and proceed to track link conversions. Here, you'll find the option to attribute conversions to either the first click or the last click. When multiple clicks occur, the first click assigns conversion credit to the initial click, while the last click assigns it to the final one. The standard attribution is last click. Next, you can choose between two sales conversion types, unique and raw. Unique displays individual sales, whereas raw aggregates multiple sales from the same user. This choice affects the detailed view and ROI calculation. For instance, if John generates 4 sales, unique shows the first sale separately and the rest of them in detailed view, while raw presents all 4 together. Specify the sale amount and reference value for your records. Additionally, you'll find 3 pixel codes, action, engagement, and sale, that you can embed on your tracking pages. Monitor the performance of each pixel by reviewing the associated columns for actions, engagements, and sales, unique or raw. Now that you're familiar with setting up link conversion tracking, give it a try. Don't forget to explore our other knowledge base videos for further insights.